Good afternoon, Jamaica KD vlog. This is another segment that I wanted to shoot so long, but now, you know, me seeing videos and outcome, me seeing a video like me feel comfortable in my skin to talk about fat, or people look at people when they fat, and or they feel like say fat people are disgusting. You have people out there in the world that feel like fat people is not a part of the universe or a part of or a part to be themselves, but that's lie. I feel like fat people are amazing. Fat people know who they are, and fat people is brave and courageous and strong, because you know why I said number one is when you wear certain clothes, people look at you, skinny people look at you like saying you shouldn't wear that clothes because it don't fit you, it don't look right, it's never built for you, it built for a skinny person. You got this on an everyday basis. I'm bringing the basic, everyday basic that happen in the world and in life. When you put on a piece of clothes, some people look at you and say, enough fit her, she need to lose couple pound, or she need to go cut out a couple pound, and try make people try not to feel comfortable about themselves. Second thing is people not give fat people chance. Forget people are not giving fat people chance to be themselves, because they tell fat people you can dance, you cannot dance, so basically you shouldn't be going to party and wind your skin out because you don't look good. Your fat is jiggling all over the place. What you call that if I dance? And then you have a next set of people. The third thing, you have a next set of people who say fat people not deserve. If you see them walk down with a decent man or a different guy that look good, and when they would expect a skinny person we have, you can judge you. Me don't know what that boy they I do with this, or this a man I do with this a fat girl. You say enough fit him. You need to go get a skinny girl will look better for your arm. There's people like that are. If they see a fat person drive a nice car, they be like, so that fat person not worth if you get a car, yeah, because anytime she go in there, when she go in there, you see he go flat down pan it wrong. You have people like them, they were ready to make these crusty, they understand these stuff, but then don't know. Or fat person are you have some fat person who are vulnerable in their skin, and you have some fat person who are balled out loud and fat and beautiful, and you're gonna like me or not, or you're gonna hate me or not, but I'm still gonna live on, I'm still gonna be happy, I'm still gonna be joyful, I'm still gonna be comfortable in my skin, because that's the only skin I have to appreciate. You have people will let you know say away regardless of how you look and shape and form, they will let you know say fat girls are winning, because you have some skinny people these days where judge fat people over the board, and them want to become fat. You understand? And them I go search, you go get fat, figure out where the place is. That's why I like said every time in this world we can acknowledge something that are beautiful, and I feel like fat is beautiful is once you are healthy, strong, and you know to overcome. I feel like fat are beautiful, and once you feel comfortable, and every skinny people feel happy in that themselves. You understand? It's not every skinny people that feel happy in that themselves. So you will talk to some skinny people and say, you know what, more want to gain 20 more pounds to feel beautiful, or more want to gain 50 pounds to feel how beautiful I am. Some people leave from skinny and they found themselves being happy more sometimes, being comfortable than in skinny, you understand? Sometimes skinny people would I wish they could have get a nice curve, like a thick person or a thick fat. Now they have fat in all different name. Curve, fat, we call it BBW, or that stand for fat and luscious and beautiful, or what else? They have a curvy diva. That means so you have curve like you have nice bumper, your titty up and your belly up and you stand good, that a curve, you understand me? So me not busy much name they have to call it, but when you cut it down too and you do the research, it's still gonna fall under fat. And people need to appreciate fat people and love themselves. Time I tell you, so my time when I judge people, it's come out for them self-esteem. So my time they feel like said we as humans should be in one size, one figure. You understand? And make so we are people that choose to be fat and love ourselves from the inside out. And enough of we can't say that, because guess what? We build sometimes you have some skinny people, you have some fat people who are not building themselves, but they feel not happy, not love, and that. So that me come to me that song and me there work, and me think about it, and me just me come on here and tell you about it, because I see a video that going around with all beautiful fat people for 2017 is a beautiful something, and some skinny people have monkey face underneath there. Some skinny people just make up a body, but the video is well put together. They doing their skin, the curvy, the fat, the WWD people. People are beautiful, and I tell people we only can be ourselves. We only have one life to live, and we love ourselves. Don't forget to thumbs the video up, share it, and also tell your friend about me. Leave comments, dislike or not. Opinions are opinion. Opinions are opinions. So have a great evening or afternoon when you see this video, or good morning to you guys, and stick around. You will see more video I will pop in and out, and enjoy my videos. Bye.